Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. So first, I'm going to decorate my boat. So get a piece of paper and basically decorate your boat. So I'll recommend 3 colors, and you can do whatever you want, just don't write on the table. So you can do cool stuff like probably hearts, stars. You can even copy my design here, like scribbles. So I'll be using purple, pink, and blue. Okay, so far I've used purple. Now I'm going to use pink. I'm also using these sparkling pens, and they're also scented, so the boat can have a smell. You don't want to use too much pens because you might cover up the whole page, so just use a little bit. And you don't also want to put just one. You don't also want to just put one. You just don't want to put something like that, or else it won't cover up like most of the page. Okay, once it covers up most of the page, it should look something like this. I did a scribble pattern just like my display boat. And as you see here, that there's color on the outside of the boat and the inside of the boat. So to do that, you color it on the other side as well, not just the front, the other side. Okay, so you can do that if you want to have the color on the inside and the outside of the boat. Okay, I'm finished with my first color. Now let's go on to the second color. Let's speed things up. Okay, now I'm up to my last color, which is pink. So you can even do like half of the page is scribbled and half of the page is hearts, or you can just do like a quarter of the page is scribbles, and then the other 3/4 are a different pattern. Okay, so now that you've got both sides colored, this is what you do. You fold the A4 paper in half. So before we start, I'll just say this is an A4 paper. So you fold your piece of paper in half. Okay. At any side, just like, what I mean by any side is that you can fold it like this, or you can fold it like that. And then you want to, so first the next step is a guideline. So you just fold it in half again, and then open it up. Okay, so I folded in half, now I'm opening it up. So next you kind of want to do like this triangle fold, like that. So what I did was like this. And you want to do it to the other side. Okay, let me just put it down. There. See that? Only do that to one side, and then the other side will be like this. Just like one side will be like, just like one side's like that, and the other side's like that. So next, what you want to do is fold the corners. What I mean by that is fold the corners like that. Do it on the other side as well. There. Now you have this. Once you do that, you put one of these, only one of them. So you just fold it up. So now it should look a little bit like this. Now you just do the same to the other side, except this time you don't have a guideline, so you just guess. So basically you just guess which one where is where. So this is what it should look like now on the other side. So with the same thing, fold it up. There. Now it's time for the tricky bit. So you flip it down here, and you see what I'm doing. I'm opening it up and folding it. So I'll repeat that step a few times so you can get it. So let me do it again. So you open it up and fold it. There. Now once you do that, do you see like these little flappy bits? You fold, you put them up like this, and then you put like this, put them up, and then the same to the other side. Push it up like that. Now, the same thing as before, you open it and fold it. Now we just did, now it's time for the last and final step, opening it. So now we just have to open it up, fix the inside, and there we go. We have our own paper boat. I'm gonna do that again just so that you can, so that if you are stuck on a step, there's extra time to do it. Okay, so I unfolded my paper boat. So this is what the next step is. So the first step is to fold it in half. Now, the next step is making a guideline. You folded it in half again, and then since it's a guideline, you open it up. Now, next, on one side, you fold like into a triangle fold, and now for both sides you have to do like these little corner folds and fold it up. Now do the same to the other side, except estimate where to fold. Now this is what you get on both sides, except one has a line and the other one doesn't. So now you go to the bottom. So this is the top and this is the bottom. So you go to the bottom, open it up, and once you open it like really far, it will reach like this position, and then fold it. What I mean is put it down. So now the third to the last step is to fold it up on these both sides. Make sure you fold the flappy bit, okay? Now, next, you find the bottom again and do the same. Put it like, push your fingers to the end and put it down. Now from the fun part, you open it and fix the inside, and then you should have a paper boat. Now that's how you create a paper boat. If you need help play this video again and